Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're opening up two brand new castings from the Hot Wheels 2020 L case. So let's get straight into it and smash that big thumbs up. First off, it's the 2019 Kia Stinger GT in the Factory Fresh series. Both these cars are in Factory Fresh, so that's pretty cool. This is 3 of 10, and take a look at it in that really nice blue color. The wheels are grey, we've got some headlight details at the front as well as the Kia symbol. Tinted windows, black interior, we've got the Stinger decal on the rear there, we've got tail lights. Man, this car is awesome. We know it's going to come out in at least one more color variation this year. I cannot wait to see. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Kia Stinger GT. Okay, now let's check the 2019 Kia Stinger GT on the track. Make sure you've hit that subscribe button so you are part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Take a look at this Stinger on the track. It's very, very nice. Bit of a wipeout there, but you know what? It's a production model car working very well on the track. So for me, it's a big thumbs up. And take a look. Oh, slowed down, fell out of the loop. Doesn't matter, it was still a pretty cool car. Now, the next one we're looking at is the Land Rover Defender 90. It's car 4 of 10 in the Factory Fresh series. And again, brand new casting for 2020 in that bright red color. We've got the number 7 on the side as well as a DIMA logo. I'm not sure what that stands for. If you know, let me know in the comments below. We've got Baja wheels on this one with the white rims in the middle, tinted windows, black interior. The spare wheel on the back doesn't have the white rim, which is a little bit disappointing, and we've got some white stripes on the rear of the car as well. So for a first release, it's actually not so bad. Let me know what you think in the comments below of the Land Rover Defender 90. Now, the Land Rover Defender 90 is a very boxy car. Not sure how it's going to work in the booster, but put on the track, yeah, see, it just catches in the booster and it didn't want to go through at all. I gave it a good few tries to see what would happen. Started it in a different position, but it's just so big, it's sort of flipping the car up and throwing it off the track. Popped it on and started it at another spot, and I did a bit of a wipeout, but gave it another go because I really wanted this other new casting to work, but it's just not going to work on the track. All right, 2 superb brand new castings for 2020 here from the Hot Wheels L case. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. Is it the 2019 Kia Stinger GT, or maybe you like the Land Rover Discovery 90? All right, make sure you've smashed the big thumbs up. Most importantly though, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. All right everyone, thanks for watching.